alaikum. Hello, fellow mechanical engineers. I hope you are doing good. And just wanted to give you a quick message about KG Mech Mechanical Private Limited, Mr. Syed Abdul Ghaffar Saab, which is just one of the turning points in my career and in my life. That I joined this KG Mech Electromechanical Private Limited for postgraduate diploma in MEP designing and drafting back in 2018 October, and I completed that in 2019. It was just a phenomenal career after that. Not only I worked in one of the prestigious company in India called Clean Zone Systems India Private Limited, situated in Mumbai. As a senior HVAC engineer, I got an opportunity to work in abroad in Maldives with a company called Tough Offshore Energy and Engineering India Private Limited. Mr. Syed Abdul Ghaffar Saab, he was just instrumental in providing me all the necessary information, insights and education about MEP industry, because he himself has worked in this industry for quite a long time, and we are fortunate enough that he decided to set up an institute like KG Mech Electromechanical Private Limited. So I have a message for all the students. Look at my career, it was for me 5 years that I worked in oil and gas, then I switched to MEP, and he was just an instrumental support in my career to move into MEP, and just not into move into MEP, to make it good into MEP. Just don't feel hesitant. It's one of the best institutes in India. Please go to the Google and you will find awesome reviews about it. Just move forward confidently and start your career in MEP engineering with KG Mech Electromechanical Private Limited. This is Mohammed Najibullah signing off. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.